Hi everyone, Mitchell here with Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we are covering SU Group Holdings Limited, ticker SUGP, a Hong Kong-based provider of integrated security engineering services, including site guardian, system installations, and maintenance for commercial clients. Positive update. In October 2025, the company announced it regained full compliance with NASDAQ's minimum bid price and publicly held shares requirements, resolving prior deficiencies. This follows a major milestone earlier in the year, securing a record $11.3 million contract for comprehensive hospital security systems. Shares are currently trading around $6, reflecting a smaller market cap with growth potential in the expanding security sector. As always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.